Hello, and thank you for joining us here at TESCO. Today we will be showing you how to use your vehicle's manual wheelchair ramp. Remember that this video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. To begin, before loading your passengers, engage the vehicle's parking brake and open the side doors. To release the ramp, pull upward on the left-hand side lever, which allows the ramp to swing outward. The floor latch by the door will rise up as the ramp approaches. Swing the ramp completely up to the doorway until it locks securely into this latch. Once it's secured, it's time to lower the ramp to the ground. When facing the ramp from the outside, find the red release lever on the right-hand side and pull it up. As you lift the lever, use the side handle to carefully pull the ramp out and rest it on the ground. You are now able to use the ramp. To put it back is the reverse of our process. Use the handle to carefully lift and fold the ramp until it clicks back into place. Then, use the lever to the left to release the ramp from the floor latch, and push the ramp back to its original position until it clicks and is secure in its place. Be sure to secure any wheelchairs and your passengers. Close the door, release your parking brake, and you're ready to go. And that is how you use the manual wheelchair ramp. For all of your transportation and mobility needs, choose TESCO. For over 50 years of our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.